Okay, what is up guys? We are back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Darius Adventure Pack and the Hammond Collection Dinosaurs. So first, we are going to be unboxing the Darius Adventure Pack, which has a Dimorphodon, the Carnotaurus, and I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this dinosaur's name, and Darius with some net catchers. Let's look at the back of the box. It seems that we have the some box art. Darius, the Stygimalach. Put that down in the comments if I'm not saying that right. And the net shooter. So we're going to be unboxing this first, so let's get into it. Okay, so here's the figures out of the box. If I can get it. So first we're going to check out the Dimorphodon. It's a very nice figure, very big. It's got a little bit of a swivel on its tail. Can make its wings flap. Its mouth opens and shuts. And then I'm going to be showing all of the codes for these figures. If you know what the Hammond Collection is, the Hammond Collection does not have a scanner, so I'm very sorry about that. But so here is the scan for the Dimorphodon. Very cool, very cool. And now we're gonna do the stigma something, I don't know. It's a very nice, very nice. Its head goes up and down. It's got a very nice sculpt. Very good paint job. Its tail can swivel. Its legs move. Arms go up and down. Very nice figure. Now we're going to unbox Darius. Here, I'm gonna put these guys to the side, and all the figures that we unboxed today I will put behind this little cool looking scenery. Oh, and here's something about the Dimorphodon. His legs move too, which is very cool. Let's see if we can get this guy. I don't know. I am going to get Darius out of the package real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I've got Darius. He has one of those pulley things. And those tracks. I'll be right back. Sorry, y'all, the Dinosaurs tracks decided to take a stumble. But, so, here is Darius. His head turns, his leg moves that way, on both legs, arms move. See how good it stands. He stands pretty decent. Once you get into balance, he has a very good stance. Now we are going to get the net shooter out. Let's see how this thing works. That's kind of powerful. But so this little part comes out after you. So basically, all you need to do just hit this little button that shoots so you can net the dinosaurs. Darius can hold this. So let's get it in his hand. Okay, we got it in his hand now. It's very hard to balance him because this net shooter is very big, but you can balance him pretty well with the net shooter. You kind of need to okay, I'll deal with that later. But now we are going to unbox the big boy of this pack. So we don't need this. The Carnotaurus. So, oh, I forgot to do this. Here's the scan code for this dinosaur. Sorry, I forgot about that. So here's the Carnotaurus. I haven't watched all of Chaos Theory yet. I'm not sure if this is Toro or not. It doesn't really look like Toro because he got burns and scratches. But he has pretty good articulation. His little stubby arms move out, up and down. His head moves up and down. His mouth opens. His legs move like that. His tail twists. You kind of gotta break it in a little bit. But there's the Carnotaurus. So here is the entire the Darius Adventure Pack. So now that we have that done, taken care of, we're going to move on to the Carnotaurus. So I'll be right back when this Carnotaurus is up and ready to be unboxed. Okay, y'all, so now we got the Dinosaurs right here, ready to be unboxed. But let's check out some of the box art. It shows a whole bunch of stuff. It shows the Dinosaurs. All of the Hammond collection actually have glass eyes, so that's a plus. The Dinosaurs and some other guys are Claire Darling, Velociraptor Delta, Pyroraptor, and Therizinosaurus, which if you've been on my channel, you know that I have the Therizinosaurus, so I will get that right now. Okay, y'all, so we are back. We have the Therizinosaurus, and as we can see, the Giganotosaurus is much bigger. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy out of the box. Okay, y'all, so we have got the Giganotosaurus out of the package, and it's a very nice, big, chunky figure. His lip is a little bit odd, but that's okay. So it's got these things, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these up right now. Not time-lapsing this, but I'll be right back. I'm gonna get all these pieces out. So I'm gonna do a little transformation. Whoa, never mind. No transformation, guys, sorry. Okay, y'all, so we have got the Giganotosaurus out of the package. And this figure is absolutely massive. He has very good articulation. One of the best. This is probably one of my favorite so far Hammond collection figures. This is just wild. It turns its head very well. Its mouth opens, and look at this articulation. There's literally articulation in the tongue. And it's so big, it needs 2 pieces just to fit in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and get these 2 pieces on right now. Got 1 piece. Here comes the next. Now we have the Dinosaurs. This thing is massive. Absolutely massive. It's got it's got so many joints in its tail, it is insane. It's got like a bendy wire right here. It goes up and down like that a little bit. This goes up and down a little bit. This is so massive, it's taking up my entire table. It can barely stand. Maybe I'm trying to find a way. This thing is absolutely massive compared to the Dinosaurs. Look at this thing. This is my hand compared to this thing. This is like the size of my cat. If you've been on my channel, this is like this, literally the size of my cat. This is bigger. That was the biggest figure I own. But this guy easily beats that. This guy easily beats the Indominus Rex I own. Okay, we're in this video. I am not sure if I showed y'all the Dinosaurs scanner. I don't think I did because it's pretty stuck in there. But here is the thing for the Dinosaurs, which will probably be what y'all wanted. So, yeah. You guys want to see more content just like this and Godzilla content? Hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. Thank you guys, and toodles.